Naughty, naughty, Mr. Policeman.
Stop. Fucking idiots.
That doesn't look like 30, Mr. Range Rover. Fucking hell, it's flying. Flying through a red light. Wait, is he just ran the red light?
With a simple spray and wipe. Carplan Demon Shield. The smart paint work sealant for your car. Let the demon do the work. Buy now at mymotorworld.com. mymotorworld.com.
Everywhere today, aren't they?
I went on the next to the way I was saying to you about the money. What is he doing? Like, he went so slow for doing that, like.
In this ring, diving off the top. Throw that pussy at me, I'ma beat it on the box. But later in this bitch, I got the city on lock. Ayy, ratchet bitch, she a South Central baddie. Ooh, body bust her down, I'm just waiting on the addy. Cut the bitch from the back, she just got her ass.
It's the right routines where I'm so worried about, like, pissing someone off or upsetting someone that I'll be like, oh God, what if I say that? And it all got, now I'm a bit more like, I don't care. So the routines are better.
Is this about, have you got a ring?
Then I will be snitching as the suckers try to knock me, but they can't knock me off the hit. They say it's a shit and alcohol. Yeah, I got some.
Oh! Should have given way. Here's another one who's got given way. 2 numpties in 1 clip. Yeah, I might just download that. Kills all you read. Sweet.
Why is she late? I went, she starts late. I said she's got a school run. F***ing idiot!
Herbie Roberts is on our call. He's from Shefford.
You know, someone just
Why is he got-
Take the exit, then take the exit.
This is Radio 2.
On BBC Sounds and on your smart speaker.
Play BBC Radio 2.
BBC News at 10 o'clock. This is Catherine Brown. The Conservatives have called for an investigation for the Chancellor, Rachel Reeves, to be sacked after she admitted f***ing housing law.
Oh my god! You idiot! Or don't even bother waiting for the green light.
Found a damn thing you didn't want to feel.
Seven of these films.
Right.
He's a rubbish actor. I should be the actor. You know, I've been doing acting for years.
But he's not an actor, he's...
Well, he is. Okay. But he hasn't quite made it. He's sending a lot of demos off.
Right, so he's a struggling actor.
Maybe it has had a facelift. I've got stuff on yesterday, but it might go too far. No! Oh my god!